Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about going out for dinner, so let's get started. You could be asked, will you choose a cafe or a restaurant when you meet others? I prefer cafes or casual meetups with friends. Or you could say, generally I opt for cafes when meeting up with others for a casual gathering. What are the differences between cafes and restaurants? Cafes are usually more relaxed and serve lighter meals, while restaurants offer a more formal dining experience with a wider menu variety. A more advanced answer to that could be cafes often provide a laid-back atmosphere and simpler dishes, whereas restaurants present a formal setting and diverse range of culinary options. Is it important to have a meal together with family? Yes, sharing meals with family is a valuable topic. Or, indeed, having meals together with family plays a crucial role in strengthening familiar bonds. Is it expensive to eat out in your country? Eating out can be pricey, depending on the place. Or you could say, dining at restaurants can be costly, and it varies based on the establishment. More and more people are unwilling to cook. Why is this happening? Busy lifestyles makes people less inclined to cook. Or the trend of busier lifestyles is diminishing people's motivation to engage in cooking. Do you like to try new food? Yes, I enjoy exploring different types of cuisine. Certainly, I have a penchant for experiencing diverse culinary offerings. What kinds of food are popular in your country? Italian and Chinese cuisine are quite popular here. Or, in my country, Italian and Chinese dishes have gained significant popularity. Do you like to cook at home? Yes, I find cooking at home enjoyable. Or, cooking at home is something I take pleasure in. Food quality has improved over time. The quality of food has seen noticeable enhancements over the years. Do people in your country like to eat at home? Yes, many people prefer home-cooked meals. Or, indeed, a considerable number of individuals in my country have a preference for eating at home. Okay, so that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Follow along with me, as it's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. Contrasting experiences of dining at home and in restaurants, the choices we make about where we eat evolve over time, reflecting changing lifestyles and societal values. These impacts on society and individuals. The phrase, home-cooked meal, evokes a sense of comfort and nostalgia. Eating at home allows individuals to have control over the ingredients and cooking methods. Familiarity promotes a relaxed atmosphere and encourages conversations and the enjoyment of meals in the company of family and friends. Restaurants in law facilitates interaction and a break from routine. Dining in restaurants offers a distinct experience. Beyond the culinary expertise, restaurants provide a social environment and an attractive choice for gatherings and celebrations. The rise in restaurant dining can be attributed to various factors. Fast-paced nature of modern life leaves individuals with limited time and energy, and is appealing to explore diverse cuisines and a diverse for unique experiences, eliminating the need for grocery shopping, meal preparation, and cleanup. Okay, so the future of dining. While restaurants continue to thrive, the future of dining remains multifaceted. The emergence of food delivery services and popularity of meal kits, and a blend of elements of restaurant dining with the convenience of eating at home. This is a balance between dining in and dining out will likely continue to evolve. The choice between home-cooked meals and dining out encompasses cultural practices, convenience, and social interaction. Understanding the dynamics of this choice sheds light on broader changes in society, ways in which individuals navigate the demand of modern life. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look and perhaps take some and put them into your English vocabulary. Culinary expertise, nostalgia, familiarity, routine, upscale eateries, attractive choice, gatherings and celebrations, limited time and energy, meal preparations, convenience, implications, fostering connections, digital distractions, multifaceted, emergent, blend elements, sustenance, contemporary lifestyles, balance between, navigate, broader changes, opt for, cultural shift, cater to, diverse cuisines, cherished practice, convenience of eating, foster connections, social interaction, impacts on individuals and society. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Take part and see if you can put some of these into your own words at home. What are the distinctions between camps and restaurants? Is it crucial to have a meal together with your family? Are you fond of trying new food? Why are an increasing number of individuals inclined towards dining at restaurants? How does having meals at home differ from having meals at a restaurant? And does the origin of products matter to people in your country? For statements, in recent times, people show a preference for eating out instead of cooking at home. Out of the significant factors that drive this trend is the convenience of dining out. Changes in eating habits have occurred due to modern lifestyles. Eating at restaurants provides a variety of culinary experiences. Social gatherings and celebrations often involve individuals gathering for meals, and there is an increased preference for upscale dining establishments. And lastly, paraphrase descriptions which you're on your own for. As always, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.